Hello, everybody, and welcome. A little late in the week, but we are getting to it anyways. We are going to look at the market up to now through Wednesday and make a trade. Well, market's been cooking, kind of like a broken record of the last few months. It's been going straight up. Volatility is obviously ticking down over time. This is where we always start, the S&P 500. If I go to the NASDAQ, even more extreme, just same thing, just to the moon. Volatility is a little higher here. But obviously, this thing is on a rocket ship to who knows where. And finally, the IWM, which is the Russell, also at all-time highs, volatility decent. But all three indices are shooting up to the moon. Volatility is pretty solid. So where are we going to trade today? Well, we're looking for a little more volatility and possibly a range. So I'm going over to Meta, and earnings is over. You can see it took a huge dive after earnings, been bouncing around ever since, but volatility ticked up today, and it's way up here at 52. So what I'm going to do is use the volatility to pick a range and hope it stays between there for the next 51-ish days to make me some money. So if we go to the trade page, what we're going to do is we're going to go to 51 days because that's the monthly expiration cycle. It's more liquid than all of these. And tomorrow that'll be 50. I've saved us the trouble of trying to set this whole thing up already. What we're going to do is, the stock is at 635, so I'm going $60 up on the call side. I'm going $60 down on the put side, selling both of those. The strikes are $5 wide in Meta, so I'm buying the put and the call $5 away to turn this into a $5 wide iron condor. Remember, it's 33 cents per dollar width minimum. This is $5 wide, so 5 times 33 cents means I need to collect at least $1.65 or more for this to be a valid trade. So, assuming everything stays the same, and we open up here tomorrow, we're going to go $60 up and down, create a $5 wide iron condor, and as long as we're collecting at least $1.65 or more in Meta, that will be our iron condor trade for tomorrow morning. Hey everyone, I'm a big believer in the old Chinese proverb of give a man a fish, you feed him for a day, teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. And what does that mean in this instance? It means I'm not looking to give you a trade or two. I'm looking to teach you to trade so you can do this on your own and generate your own income for a lifetime. The way I look at it is this is where you all are, and this is where you want to be. And in between is a huge gap of expense, experience, time, etc. But what I'm looking to do is shorten that by building you this bridge. And how do we do that? For anyone who wants clean, simple, reliable guidance, I created the Essential Income System. You get the benefit of a structured, research-backed, experienced trader like myself, and all you need to do is follow along. And no, these aren't make-believe trades. These are fully formed trades that I'm actually doing myself in real time and sending to you in real time that are ready to execute. You don't have to guess, you don't have to stress, you just plug right into a system that works. And for those interested in not just copying trades, but actually gaining the confidence to create, make, and manage your own trades, I've created the Pro Trader Academy. It's not just alerts and it's not just courses. It's a complete trading system designed to take you from beginner to intermediate to advanced to consistent. What you need is a structured system, not scattered information. The Pro Trader Academy includes the Essential Income System, but it also includes every course I've ever made, along with every course I will make in the future, plus webinars, plus potential office hours, etc. This is valued over $2,000. Now, normally the Essential Income System is $49 a month, and the Pro Trader Academy is $99 a month. But good news, because you showed up here today, you're in luck. You can get the Essential Income System for only $1 for the first month, or you can get the Pro Trader Academy for only $19 for the first month by going to sharpertrades.com and using either one of these coupons. So, again, go to Sharper Trades or use the attached links. Again, there's no risk. You can cancel anytime. Give them a try. Make sure they are for you. And I look forward to having you join me on your journey to financial freedom. Hope to see you there.